How to fix too many attempts or try again later error on Telegram. So if you open up your Telegram application and if you try to log into your account, and if you're facing a problem or it says you've tried many times, try again later, then what you can do is you need to simply wait for 24 hours or 12 hours. And after waiting for that, you can again log into your Telegram, and now your problem will be fixed. Because sometimes if you try to log into your account and if you have entered the wrong phone number or the wrong address, then it might block you out. So simply wait and then you can again log in so that you can get a solution. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and then you can open up your settings. Go for the search and now scroll down and go for apps. And once you open your apps, you can go for Telegram, tap on your Telegram on your settings, go for storage and cache, go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that and then open up your Play Store or your App Store. And now go for the search bar and search for Telegram. And once you open your Telegram, now here if you have an update option instead of that open option, then you can go for update, tap on that update and then you can update your application. If you have not updated your application, then you will find so many problems, but after updating you can fix many of those. And once you've updated, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and then you can restart your device. Simply tap and hold on to that power button and here you will get restart option. Tap on restart, and once you've restarted, now you can log back into your account and you'll be logged in. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.